Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to match color. I have a client and he sent me a design of the fabric and also the color of the fabric. So she wants to match that color from that um, to that design that he wants. This is the fabric that she wants to change this color and to match this color. So how to do this in Photoshop? Okay, first thing is we have to Control A and Control C for copy. We have to paste here so that we can see what's going on. Now it needs not to be perfect, but at least we can match this color and also the, the texture of the fabric. First is create a gradient map, and here we have to match this color and put this color in this gradient. Okay, you have to select the color first, these dark tones here, and also these light ones. Go back to gradient. Okay, copy this light one, put it here, this dark one, copy, go back to gradient, paste it here. Okay, so we need a colors in between so that we can have a little contrast. Another color, select another color for the dark, and then here for another medium light. Okay, so copy this one, put here in between. I think it is not good, so we have to delete this. We have to change this from this color. Okay, and to make it darker a little bit, and here also. And lighter a little bit. Okay, so this is the first part. Now we need to okay, the blending mode is normal, so we need to adjust this a little bit, not a little bit light. Okay, in here a little bit lighter. Okay, we have to copy this color. Put it here and a little bit. No. So let's have to make this manual. We need to eyeball it. What is the best? Okay. Now okay, so this is the first part. Now we need to have a texture that is the same, almost the same of this texture. You can find similar of this kind of texture in the internet. Copy and paste. This is just a bigger texture, so we need to scale it down. Just like that. Okay, then change the blending mode to overlay. Now we put a hue and saturation for this. Okay, then we put a contrast through levels. And then let's choose selective color, and red, we have to increase the red and the yellows here. Let's go back to gradient. Okay, let's put another hue in saturation. Increase the yellow a little bit. There is an orange here, so we need to get this orange in the middle. Okay, so this is not perfect, but at least um, we match a little bit with the color of this fabric. So this is the final one based on this color. Okay, so select all. We need to compare this to the original. Select and shift, click, and Control Shift E, ups, undo. Control Shift E, and we have to duplicate this background, the original. Control J, and we have to put that in the top so we can compare. Okay, this is the original and this is the final color based on this color scheme. So we already matched the color from this fabric to this fabric. Okay, so thank you for watching.